Good afternoon. Last week we had record-breaking heat. For the week ahead, we're looking at much fresher weather. Quite a few showers for many of us as well. A very different story. This weekend we've been lumbered with a weather front that hasn't really moved anywhere in a hurry, extending from the northwest to the southeast of the UK. And where it's parked up, it's produced some persistent and heavy rain. And now we're getting reports of flooding across parts of the northwest of England and the Midlands. And even through this afternoon, that front is only going to very slowly pivot. So I think we'll see perhaps another 20 to 30 millimetres of rain in some of the areas that have already been badly affected. A wet story for Northern Ireland, particularly in the northeast. Quite a few showers for Scotland, particularly some heavy ones in the west later on. In the sunshine in the northeast, up to 23 or 24 degrees. Sunshine to the southwest should give us similar highs. Through the evening and overnight, the front does start to push a little further north, becoming drier for Northern Ireland. Still more rain for Northern England, and to the north of the front, misty and murky as we start off Monday morning. Quite a humid night as well, lows of 15 and 16. Monday puts us between two weather systems. There's the remnants of our front to the north of the UK. Quite a deep area of low pressure trying to come into the southwest. For many, actually, we're not talking about too bad a day. Quite light winds, some decent spells of sunshine, some heavier showers across northern Scotland, tied in with what's left of that front. And then we must concentrate on the southwest later in the day as the low approaches. Quite gusty winds around the coast, up to 45 miles per hour or so, and some heavy showers arriving too. And then that low is going to be a feature for us through much of the week ahead, in fact. For Tuesday, it drifts a little further north and eastwards. There will be some heavy showers for Wales and the southwest of England. Strong and gusty winds too, particularly along the south coast. And some of those showers making their way further north as well. Driest and brightest across eastern England. For Wednesday, the low tends to centre up more across the UK. The showers still widespread. The winds perhaps becoming a little lighter, but some pretty heavy rain at the moment, it looks like, focusing on central and eastern areas. By then, hopefully something drier for South Wales and the southwest of England. Also some sunny spells for Northern Ireland. But some of these showers, if the wind does become lighter, could be quite slow moving. And that means, again, the rainfall totals could really tot up. The low losing its energy. As you can see, less isobars, lighter winds again for Thursday. A focus, I think, of the rain on Thursday across eastern areas. Looking pretty wet for eastern Scotland, northern England, perhaps parts of East Anglia. Drier and brighter towards the west. You'll notice our temperatures throughout this week around average values for the time of year, probably up to 25 or 26 as our ultimate highs. By Friday, the lows off into the continent. High pressure tries to build, but it's quite a loosely defined high, so still the chance of some showers, I think, developing across the UK on Friday, but lighter winds and a drier day basically across the board as the week comes to a close. Now, I'd like to promise you that more settled weather will then stay on into next weekend. It looks like next Saturday should perhaps bring us a briefly drier day, but I think another low will bring more showers in by Sunday. So for the week ahead, a very different story. Much fresher, some heavy showers to contend with, and at times some strong and gusty winds. I wish you a very good week ahead.